This is Mr. Burley at St. Elizabeth Catholic School. Today I'm using Creo Parametric 1.0. First thing I want to do is, well, I've already opened Body Mold Rev 7, which is my latest at this point in time. First thing I'm going to do is grab the insert here and pull it above the wheel arches. That'll suppress the wheel arches extended and so on, and we'll end up with something that looks like this. We're going to click Extrude, Placement, Define it. Click this datum plane, which is the front. Click Sketch. Now you can now draw in this view. Before, Pro Engineer used to automatically reorientate it so it was parallel to your viewing plane. I still personally like to draw like that, so I'm going to click the Sketch view, and now I'm looking straight at it. I'm going to zoom it in a bit so I can see it. I'm going to click the line tool. There's a couple of different line tools: line tangent and line chain. I'm going to click line chain. And I come down here, and I'm going to be in just a wee bit. You see it's picking up on that reference right there. You'll be in a couple of millimeters here. You don't want to be right on the edge. You want to be in a little bit. And I'm just going to sketch something that maybe looks a little bit along like my car does. Wonderful 300M Chrysler, built in Brampton. I guess this isn't quite looking like that, but close enough. Now, you come down to here. You want to come all the way back, and you want to click on the starting point where you started from to close it. This has to be a closed loop for it to work. Now you bring this cursor into the center somewhere, push the middle mouse button. Now nothing's come up. It's a solid. Let's click on the normal, and we can come in here now and we can change some of these dimensions because we just sketched it. This is the beauty of parametric. We change afterwards. So I'm going to double click on that one. I'm going to change it to 45. No, maybe I'm not. So maybe I'll go back to 30. This one here, this angle here, maybe I can change that a bit just for fun. I don't know. Maybe let's change it to 140, see what it looks like. Yeah, not bad. I don't know if I mind it. I'm going to change this back to 35 and stretch the front of the car out a wee bit. So you can play with these dimensions. It's the exact same way as Pro Engineer was before. Nothing there has changed dramatically. It still all works the same. But I'm going to go back to what I originally had. Something along these lines. Again, I can change the different angles however I wanted to. For this purpose, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to say this is okay. Now, there I got a solid. I'm going to click AB standard, which is going to go into my isometric view. I can either grab this and move it in and out like before, or I can just double click this guy here and I can change it to, I don't know, 25. See what that looks like. That's not bad. Basically what I'm trying to do is get a 2 millimeter gap all the way around here. That one just happened to work out just fine. So I'm going to click OK. And I couldn't call that. There's the first stage of the car. And I think we'll leave it there and we'll proceed on to the next one.